Hey guys, today we will learn how to draw different types of fashion figures, also known as a croquis. A more realistic body type from the crown, that is the top of the head to the toe, is around 8 times the height of the head. And that is why we call it a 8-head fashion figure. And the reason why we see some fashion figures a little different from normal body type is because some illustrators like to accentuate some body parts, like elongating the torso or the legs. And that is how we get a 10-head fashion croquis. Now, we can have any proportions and size of croquis we want, depending on the illustration or a drawing style. This line that I'm drawing will help me to make my figures proportionate. I don't want one side to be elongated and the other side to be little shrinked. I'll start with drawing the heads first. Okay, so the first head, of course, will be the actual head of the croquis. Now, 1/3 of the second head will become the neck. And we'll stop here and we'll just make a horizontal line. And we'll make two balls here. This becomes the waist and the elbow. Third becomes the hip. And the fourth head ending becomes the crotch. And we'll make like an inverted triangle. We'll place the knees in between the sixth head. We'll make these small circles. And 3/4 from the eighth head becomes the ankle. Right? So we'll just mark it here. We'll go out a little and then we'll go in again. Now for the arms, we'll directly go down to the waist because that is where our elbow starts, and we'll stop till the crotch because that is where our wrist starts. We'll place the bust in between the second and the third one, the second and third head. Now I'll show you how it looks once flesh is added to it, right? will try to add some details like the collarbone. And our 8 head fashion figure is ready. Now similarly, I will show you how to do a 10 head fashion figure. Just keep it here. I'll again draw these lines, 10 lines, and each head is 1 inch long. Okay, so similarly, I will draw heads first. The first one will be the head, of course. The ending of the fourth head becomes the waist. Half of the fourth head becomes the hip line. And a little bit below the fifth head, like maybe 2 boxes or like 1/4, becomes the crotch. Now comes the knee. Half becomes the knee, and we'll draw 2 balls here. Now we'll draw 2 circles here. We'll take the entire this thing for the legs, for the now we'll take the ending of the 10th head for the ankle. Go down till the waist. So our 10 head fashion figure is almost ready. We'll just clear it up with and add some flesh to this Croquis because she's a little technical right now. So we're done with our fashion figure. I prefer a 10 head more because of the elongated legs, but a lot of designers opt for an 8 head figure to be more accurate with the design length as it resembles a realistic body type. So if you really liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe because it will help me grow my channel, and I would really appreciate your feedback on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.